How's it going, guys? I'm gonna show you how I did the spoon mirrors that you can see here in the table. Um, with the heating pad, because some of them they don't people they don't really put the heating pad. Here are the mirrors. They come simple. It shows what's left and what's right, and yeah, here I'm explaining like just to remember again what's left and what's right. They don't come with anything special. Like it's just a mirror, you know. Um, on both of them. There's instruction manual, but I can't understand that language. you know. And so yeah, here I'm showing you guys that you know I took the black piece housing from the mirror, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put the pad on the back from the heating. Because you could actually do it. People don't do it, and it's because they don't want to either break the OEM. Mine was broken, as you can see. So I just went ahead and took the heating pad. It's just a tape on, so you can peel it off right off. Here, you can see I put it on the spoon. Didn't have to use nothing. It still has sticky on the heating pad still, so it just went right on. Just remember to clean the surface on the back with alcohol. And yeah. Here you can see I put the 3M tape. That's what they give you to use. I had extra, so I just went over and did it all over it. And remember to always clean the pad on the back with alcohol, and clean also the housing. If this and yeah, if this video helped you guys, just remember leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.